Hey Jigsaw. I went out to do-it-yourself solid-state drive today, and the site looked different. What the hell have you been doing, bro?
Okay, maybe I made a few updates, but hey, the results are pretty solid.
Alright, let's hit pause for a sec. Yeah, the filters are dope, but I'm getting twitchy just sitting here.
To wrap it up, I know many of you are asking the question, why did I use MFG to search for manufacturer outlets? I get it. The whole MFG search thing can feel like spawning into a match with zero tutorial. If I just typed in Samsung, I'd get loot drops from every store and the manufacturer. Cool, but messy. Instead, searching the SKU was my precision headshot. Clean, direct, target down. Bottom line, search is totally OP. The data's packed with hidden loot, and the rewards? Absolute fire when you find them.